Transparency and client happiness are critical in modern retail. Shopify POS meets these expectations by providing sophisticated order monitoring services that allow shops and customers to watch the status of their orders in real time. Retailers may improve transparency, streamline processes, and improve the customer experience by incorporating order tracking into the Shopify POS system. In this video, we'll look at the importance and benefits of order tracking in Shopify POS, focusing on how it enables businesses to give visibility into order fulfillment, streamline communication, and build customer loyalty. Real-time order fulfillment monitoring. Shopify POS order tracking gives retailers and customers real-time visibility into the fulfillment process. Retailers may get up-to-date information about the progress and location of each order by integrating tracking information from shipping providers directly within the POS system. This real-time visibility enables retailers to monitor order fulfillment status, ensuring timely processing and delivery. Retailers may handle any delays or concerns that may develop in advance, improving operational efficiency and consumer happiness. Order monitoring also allows customers to stay up to date on the status of their orders. Customers can follow their packages and predict delivery dates by supplying tracking numbers or links through the Shopify POS system. This openness builds confidence, decreases consumer inquiries, and improves the entire customer experience. Communication and customer service have been streamlined. Order monitoring in Shopify POS helps retailers and customers communicate more effectively throughout the fulfillment process. By offering tracking information to customers, retailers may communicate key changes such as purchase confirmations, shipping notifications, and delivery status in a proactive manner. This improved communication decreases customer inquiries and support requests about order progress, allowing merchants to better allocate resources and focus on providing great customer care. Furthermore, order tracking allows retailers to address any possible difficulties as soon as they arise. If a product is delayed or has issues while en route, businesses can contact out to concerned customers and offer solutions or support. This proactive approach indicates concern and attention to detail, which strengthens consumer trust and loyalty. Increasing operational effectiveness. Shopify POS order tracking improves operational efficiency by giving retailers with insights into the fulfillment process and optimizing resource allocation. Retailers may monitor order fulfillment performance, identify bottlenecks, and enhance their operations by accessing real-time tracking information. Retailers may use this data-driven strategy to streamline their processes, eliminate fulfillment errors, and increase overall operational efficiency. Furthermore, order tracking enables companies to properly plan inventory management and forecast demand. Retailers can recognize sales patterns, estimate future demand, and optimize inventory levels by studying order tracking data. Proactive inventory management decreases stockouts, increases customer happiness, and lowers holding costs. Scalability and integration. Shopify POS order tracking connects easily with numerous shipping providers, allowing shops to select their chosen carrier and deliver precise tracking information to customers. Popular carriers such as UPS, FedEx, and USPS may be directly integrated into the Shopify POS system, assuring accurate and real-time tracking updates. Furthermore, order tracking in Shopify POS is scalable, making it suitable for enterprises of all sizes. Whether running a tiny boutique or a multi-location retail chain, merchants can use order monitoring to create a consistent and transparent consumer experience. Shopify POS order tracking enables retailers to improve transparency, streamline communication, and maximize operational efficiency. Order monitoring develops trust, decreases support queries, and improves the overall customer experience by giving real-time visibility into order fulfillment and enabling simplified communication between retailers and customers. Shopify POS's order tracking functionality, with its easy integration and scalability, enables shops to fulfill consumer expectations, establish loyalty, and achieve success in today's competitive retail scene.